Hi you guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. Thank you so much for stopping by. So this week I am going to be making fettuccine. I have my cooked chicken already. I always grill up a pack of chicken the beginning of the week. So we have it like all week long, all ready to go for different things, salad, sandwiches, and for my meal prepping. So I already have my chicken all grilled. I'm gonna do a side of broccoli. I'm gonna make the Alfredo sauce, heavy whipping cream, grated Parmesan, garlic butter, and then you guys, I have my favorite thing in the universe. If you have been around my channel, you know I am totally obsessed with Palmini. I am not sponsored by them, but if they contacted me, I definitely would tell them, send me all the Palmini items you have. Oh my gosh, love them. So it is hearts of palm, shaped as a noodle. So this is the angel hair version. They have tons of versions, the linguine version, lasagna. They have a riced version that I had in one of my meal prep videos a couple weeks ago. But 4 grams of carbs, 20 calories per serving, and totally delicious, you guys. I have been substituting this for pasta for like the last few months, ever since I found out about this stuff. So good. So hearts of palm and this brand Palmini, so good. Anyways, I'm gonna get this all made up for my lunch for the week. Chicken fettuccine, super healthy, very easy, you guys. I'll show you how I make it. If you're new to my channel and you need some meal prep inspiration, click that subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification when I post new videos. Tons of meal prepping ideas to give you some motivation to get organized, have your meals prepped nice and healthy, so you don't have to worry about what you're gonna have for the week, and you don't have to worry about running out for fast food or grabbing something that's unhealthy. So lots of healthy meal prep motivation on my channel, so check it out if you're new. All right, I'm gonna get this lunch all made up for the week. All right, so my Alfredo sauce is all ready with the diced up grilled chicken, broccoli, and then I have my Palmini angel hair, hearts of palm noodles, and you guys are so easy. I just rinse it in the strainer and ready to go. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Palmini noodles on the bottom, then I will add in the rest of the chicken Alfredo. So my super yummy lunch is ready for the week. So good, so healthy. Hope that you guys enjoyed this one. It's really easy, like all of my meal prepping ideas. So if you need some motivation for some easy meal prepping, check out the other videos on my channel and make sure you subscribe and click that bell button next to subscribe. Hope that you have a really, really great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.